We're assembling the Apogee 4-inch diameter eBay kit in this episode. I'll give you some nomenclature here. We have the brown part here is the tube coupler. The white part here is the switch band. This is the only part of the kit that you're going to see from the outside of the rocket. We call it the switch band because this is where we mount the electronics switch so we can turn the electronics on and off easily from the outside of the rocket. On the ends we have the bulkheads. We have a wing nut. To make it easy to get access to it, and then the washer. On the ends we also have an eye bolt on top of our bulkhead. We have a bulkhead on both sides, but this bulkhead is attached to the eBay sled. And there's another eye bolt on this side, and then on the bottom we have an all thread with a nut and a washer on this end, and then these are the guides to make sure that this all thread slides through the part. The all thread doesn't really need to come out of the rocket ever. Whenever you're taking it apart or putting it together, just put your finger on the end just to hold it in place so that you can slide it through. And then what you do next is you put the hole of the all thread through the hole, and then the slots will go through these little tabs here, and that puts the bulkhead on top of the disc, or the bulkhead into the coupler. I'm getting my words all mixed up today. The first thing we want to do is to make these bulkheads easy to install in the coupler. So you want to sand the edge, one edge, and I like to do the opposite side from the Apogee logo. You want to sand that, you want to round it off or chamfer it so that it will go into the tube easily. You can also sand the edge itself flat so that once it starts sliding in, it will continue to slide in. Oops, I got it upside down. It will continue to slide in like that. So I'm going to go ahead and chamfer this edge. I got some rough grit sandpaper.